Starboard bow fans. This is Pete. I'm back here at Dana Point, home base. Me and Damon Horner to go down by the RV day use area in San Juan Capistrano, Doheny area. We're going to take a trip on the old Elux Sierra, head down to San Clemente, go through the Dana Point, get on the full San Clemente Beach Trail all the way down to San Clemente State Park. So come along with me. So when you guys get done looking at this video, hopefully you'll take the kids out, enjoy a beautiful day, throw the wife, the kids, and the bicycles in back of the truck, park it at the day use at Doheny Park, where I'm going to be going, and we'll enjoy this trip. We'll see you in a little bit. Starboard bow. I'm on Del Obispo and PCH, Pacific Coast Highway. This is where you can catch the entrance to the Doheny State Park. Make a left, go into the park, park the motorhome or the car, the truck down by the day use area in Doheny State Park, and get on the trail. So let's go ahead and check it out. Bike ride is going to be starting, like I said, at the Doheny State Park. So when you come into the park, you don't have to stop at this gate. You can just pull right up on either the left or right lane. Just go right through. And if you're in your bicycles, obviously like me, you just go through. No charges, there's no fees. But if you're in the truck or a car park in a car, best thing to do is just keep going straight through here, and I'll be showing you. And park in the day use area. About 15 bucks a day, but it's well worth it. You can jump on the bikes, take that 8, 9, 10 mile bike ride to the end of the state park in San Clemente and back, and we'll check it out. This part is the area between Dana Point and San Clemente Beach Trail. It's a guarded 2-lane bike trail for pedestrians and bikes. So very comfortable ride. Like I said, it's flat, no hills, a couple of bridges, and it's about, like I said, maybe 8-9 miles round trip, 10 miles maybe. Coming into San Clemente, California. This is the start of the San Clemente Beach Trail. It's called this is North Beach in San Clemente. This is the North Beach Amtrak station also. And Amtrak, Metrolink, get on this train. You can take this down from Los Angeles with your bikes on the train, the bike cab, and then just ride the beach trail from here. You can actually go back to Dana Point, come back again, do the beach trail in San Clemente. It's a great station. is the famous T Street surfing area in San Clemente. T Street Bridge.